हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊँ मैंने कितने अर्न किए ऑन Dream11 पे। सो यू कैन सी दिस, इट इज़ 6,215। आप भी इतना कमा सकते हो अगर आप मेरी गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करते हो। हाउ आई मेक टीम्स, हाउ आई पिक वाइस कैप्टन्स, हाउ आई पिक players on this total 22 players. So आपको अगर ज़्यादा earn करना है, so you can say this, I have won a 6,001 contest. Okay, so you can earn this too. Just follow the guidelines that I have prepared the book for that. So you can download the book from the link. Just pay 199 rupees one-time fee, and I will mail you the book once you complete the payment. And just don't forget to write email in the chat box in the conversation section of this YouTube, and I will share the book. And thanks a lot. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.